Hi guys, Shashar here. Welcome to week 3. So far, we have prepared ourselves mentally for the quest ahead in week 1, and then we learned so much about desktop computers in week 2. In all honesty, knowing just about desktop computers is good enough to get an entry level job as a desktop or a help desk engineer. Because what you know already is what most people learn by chance, if lucky enough, in 1 to 3 years of experience, and most of them actually never learn those intricate details which I already taught to you. But with the advent of all cloud computing, the help desk and desk site engineers are supposed to provide a little bit of support in the cloud computing aspect as well. And because I am all about making you an absolute ninja professional in your IT career, I want to make it a no brainer for your employers to hire you. Hence, I'm going to teach all that to you as well. However, I want you to get your first job ASAP. So I will encourage you to build up your resume stating what you already know and also mentioning that you're learning Office 365 and Azure Compute. And Azure Compute is definitely not something which you haven't learned at all so far because you have already created your lab in Azure and that would have given you some idea about Azure Compute already. So write all that in your cover letters to the recruiter and maybe mention a few things in your resume as well. Though I want to teach you those things ASAP, but I cannot leave the systematic learning pattern. And I want you to learn exactly the way the industry evolved. So industry evolved from on-premise to cloud. And I want you to learn the things in the same way, from on-premise first and then go to the cloud. And hence, we need to learn Active Directory and messaging before we can go to Office 365 or maybe Azure. This week is going to be dedicated to Active Directory. I also want to remind you that no matter how much I want to teach you all, but it is never possible for me to touch each and every small detail of a topic because there are so many of them. However, that shouldn't be a big concern for you because once you understand the fundamentals, you will be developing your knowledge on stuff as the situation arises in your work life. We already taught you how to search, we already taught you how to troubleshoot, and once you learn the fundamentals, you will learn few small details here and there on the go when you are facing the issues and trying to resolve the situations. With that message, I would like to welcome you to the week 3 of this training. Let's get prepared to learn the most fundamental component of Microsoft infrastructure, and that is the mighty Active Directory. It is a very exciting topic, and it is definitely one of the topic which will get you a lot of jobs. And if you become a professional, a hardcore professional in Active Directory like myself, then the job aspects for you becomes very bright, and identity or Active Directory is constantly evolving. There is a lot of things to learn in it. We will give you a very strong fundamentals so that you can keep growing from there on, and it will definitely help you to get your first job. And more than that, I would say it would help you understand the overall Microsoft IT infrastructure world very clearly. So prepare to get amazed, guys. Welcome to the week 3 once again. Thank you.